Okay, we are in Istanbul, and today I'm gonna try the testy kebab and from famous
Restaurant.
Istanbul restaurant, and the chef gonna show us how they prepare. It's prepared. You get chicken, you get mixed chicken and beef, or beef only. This is how they cook it. Are we gonna see the real picture, the real thing? Turkish a tasty kebab, which is really tasty, because this is not my first time. First time I came to Istanbul was 2000, I think 14, and that was the first time I had the tasty kebab, and I loved it. I loved it, and I missed. Okay, now we're gonna go to the kitchen. See how tasty. This is our chef. Say hi, chef. So he's gonna prepare the. That's my chicken mix, yeah.
Mix.
Yeah. So that's chicken breast. Nice and big, whole piece just for me.
Tesy alsana da oradan.
That's onion.
Yes. Onion. Green
Some
pepper.
Green pepper, which is Turkish blood. Some mushrooms will be added. Gonna wash the mushroom. Yeah, we did.
Yes.
The mushroom. There we go. Some mushroom.
Tomato.
2-piece small ones, 3. Yeah. 4 tomatoes and 1 big one. Slice into 4 pieces. Some garlic.
Taraftan sarımsak versene Yasin. Evet.
He's seasoning it now. Some salt. Chef is gonna make it nice and flavorful. Look, this time he's doing it.
Ya yürü git. Ne yaptın? Hadi ben gideceğim.
Red pepper. I think chili. Koydum buraya.
Bir tane soy, bir tane soy, bir tane soy. Bir tane soy.
That's I think curry leaf, some oil. He's gonna add some gravies. Yes, yes, that's a man, that's a real chef. Nice gravy.
Mr. Chef.
Mr. Chef.
Bawe. This is Bawe.
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 His name is Bawe.
My name is Bawe.
So he added now the meat.
Meat.
Yeah.
All the mix.
Now he's mixing all together.
Yes.
The meat, is it beef or is it lamb? Beef or lamb?
Lamb.
Okay, it's a lamb. So, you know it. Lamb and chicken, best friends. Now it's ready.
Yes.
Now, he's gonna put it in the pot.
Sen bir tane küçük hamur yap, küçük.
All together.
Kafasına koyacağım ha, testinin kafasına koyacağım.
Ya gerizekalı şapka koyacağım ya. Kafasına koyacağım ya. Tamam. Şöyle biraz hayır. Hani sahibi Where's Babette?
Now he's gonna cover it. All the sauce is gonna go in.
Sıcak ya. Karına
All the flavors in there now.
Testy fırınatın diyor.
Cheese was butter. That's butter. It's adding some butter. Yep. That's the door. Yeah. So it seals, keeps all the flavor inside.
bir şey, demir bir şeyin içine koy.
Yeah. Put some egg yolk on it.
Koyuyorsan mı? Sen de.
Nusret.
He's doing some sesame seeds and flax seeds. Yeah. Now it's gonna go to the oven. Now the cooking. Chef, that's the chef.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate that. Thank you. Okay, we are waiting for the tasty kebab, mixed salad. There you go. There's the tomatoes and there's cheese. Yeah, it's a goat cheese, some olives. Yeah, tomatoes and cucumber. That's my lemon. I'm looking for avocado. No, there's no avocado, but there's some chilies. Yeah, green chili, some onions. It's nice combination of, you know, salads. So we're waiting. Tasty kebab. Actually, I've ordered the mixed one. So. It's coming now. It's flaming hot.
We are ready to.
Break it.
And this is hazır mı? Terracotta pot.
Yeah.
It's cooking slowly in wood oven.
Yeah.
And chef, he broke now.
Now the chef is gonna break it. Yeah, he's gonna break it.
Başlayayım mı?
Yeah.
Yes, you can
You
start.
can start, yes, please. That's how he's gonna do it. Is it oil?
Yes.
Yeah, he put some oil. That's oil.
And
Now some water to make the smoke.
lemon juice.
That's lemon juice. Okay, that's lemon juice. Now he's gonna break it. Now he's gonna break it.
Come on.
Oh yes. This is the fun part.
Yeah. Looks very nice.
Yeah.
Evet, hadi. Abi şey yapayım mı?
Very hot.
Ben de yapacağım.
Yağını yağlıktan saracaksın.
Very hot. That's why he put it, you know. There you go. That's how we do it. That's how you do it, the tasty. That's how you do it.
Looks amazing.
Oh, looks. Also, smell is amazing. The smell, like I can't tell you how it's the smell. Oh, the chef is doing his tricks. You know, seasoning it. Yeah, look. That's how he does, man. Yeah, man. The aroma, I can smell the garlic. They put some oregano as well. Now, you know, the green pepper. tomatoes. He put some lemon juice as well. Looks good. Look. If you have kids, you have to be careful. This is very hot. This is very hot. I've got some rice. Yeah, some rice and 2 potatoes. Piece of tomato. Got my salad there. This is my salad. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, it was.
Thank you. Let's put some. There's mushroom also. There's curry leaves as well. The onion. The smell is amazing. The smell is killing me. Let's try with the naan bread.
Tamam. Dedin de onu. Büyüksün bu. Büyüksün.
I'm gonna try with the meat. Piece of onion. And low. So hopefully when you come to Istanbul you should try this. I'm gonna put some salad. The chef is asking how was my food. It's good. This is good. Seriously, this is real food. I haven't food. It's very hot still.
Excuse me, what's the food?
So it says it's called tesy kebab, so it is tasty. Tasting with some rice. There's a meat, rice, some tomato sauce. I'm getting full. I'm enjoying it, to be honest. There's no much to say. I'm done. So
Ersin,
Efendim,
ya biraz acı biber istiyor ya. Pul biber istiyor ya.
pul biber tabasco mu?
Ne istiyor?
no Turkish meal is complete without the Turkish tea.
Valla pul biber istiyor.
Tamam.
So I'm gonna have my Turkish tea, and we're done. Yes, can I have the Turkish tea, please?
Of course.
So we're gonna have our
One
Turkish tea.
please.
As I said, there's no meal is complete without Turkish tea. Turkish tea you must have every before meal, after meal, any time of the day. They love their tea. There we go. Well, now we're gonna complete our Turkish meal, the tesy kebab with Turkish tea. Salute. So next we're gonna go for kunafe. Kunafe, it's kind of sweet and with a cheese. So we're gonna go after this meal. I'm gonna show you. Ciao for now.